KMTV. Special coverage. Special coverage.
Before anything else, we would like to thank our following sponsors. We have Visco Corporation, Lady Martin, Our Lady of Triumph, the Dallas Institute of Technology, People's Healing Corporation, Smart Communication, thank you very much, and also Print Shop. Your design we Print Shop by Jethro Alfata. We would like also to acknowledge the persons or the board of directors of the Dallas City People's Multi-Purpose Cooperative. We have Ma'am Portia Guapo, thank you very much, ma'am. Sir Elenito Abasolo, Abby Reyes, Marcelo Santana, Evan Magadion, Elena Velez, Roger Bagion, Rogato Alconten, Susita Amihan. Also to our managing consultant, Ma'am Yuri Pershanas, thank you very much for gracing this event. President and gentlemen, we are now heading to our third and last exposure for this competition. This is going to be the evening gown competition that signifies elegance and magnificence. Ladies and gentlemen, you have for our candidates, starting off, candidate number 1. Candidate number 1 is Ms. Leia Picado. Candidate number 3 is Ms. Luna J. Pagulinawa. Candidate number 4 is Ms. Christine Marie Appa. Candidate number 5 is Ms. Grace Manaya. Candidate number 6 is Ms. Jonalyn Daniel. Candidate number 7 is Ms. Dio Michelle Abelo Araya. Marciasa Laranjo Morienes. The showcase of their elegant gowns. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our candidates in their gown competition, their gown attire. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause to all my candidates. At this juncture, we will be having our third or the last set of awards. Let's have first the People's Choice Award and the Best in Sports Attire. We have Vicenta Caas. Ladies and gentlemen, our People's Choice Award is candidate number 8. Our next award is, while ago we had our sports attire. At this juncture, I will be proclaiming the best in sports attire, and to present the award we have the Honorable Delia Bunia. Ladies and gentlemen, our best in sports attire is candidate number 10. Thank you very much and congratulations for our best sports attire. At this time, let's have the Miss Smart Communication. And of course, to present the award, we have the Smart Representative. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Smart Communication is goes to candidate number 2. Thank you very much. Our Miss Photogenic. Our next award is the Evening Gown. Ladies and gentlemen, best evening gown, we call it Mr. Marquis Escobar. Our best evening gown is candidate number. Is candidate number 10. Here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our best gown, we have candidate number 10. Okay, may pahabol po tayong special award. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award is Miss Friendship. Thank you very much for the sponsor. Your design print Friendship by Jetro and Fanta. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Friendship is candidate number 2. Thank you very much. That completes the giving of special and major awards. Thank you, our guests. You now turn back to your respective places. Just remain your candidates. Because in this juncture, we will be having the preliminary interview of our candidates. They have the alphabetical. We start with the candidate number 1. Hello, candidate number 1. We would like to request everybody to please observe complete silence. How are you feeling tonight, candidate number 1?
Feeling nervous.
Okay, sige. You are writing here in your bio data that your favorite color is black. Why you choose black as your favorite color?
Yes, color black is my favorite color because it's so attractive. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Judges, she is our candidate number 1. Thank you, candidate number 1. You will now take a rest for a while at the backstage. Let's now design candidate number 2. Actually, candidate number 2 is, her goal in life is to build my own big farm. Why? Ano gusto kang magtukod o dako na farm?
Good evening. As an Ivy Business student, I am aiming to build my own big farm.
Thank you very much. Let's proceed now to candidate number 3. Your ambition in life is to become a lawyer someday. Why? Why you want to become a lawyer in the future?
Thank you. Being a lawyer is not easy. I want to be a lawyer because I want to give justice for the people who's less fortunate in life. Thank you.
Wow, thank you very much. Judges, our candidate number 3. Let's move on now to our candidate number 4. Hello, candidate number 4. How are you feeling tonight?
Nervous.
Nervous. I was amazed with your name, Christine Marie. Like me, my name is Judicial Gayan Manegro Jr. I got my name from my father's name, making me as Junior. Would you mind me to explain for all of us guys, know the combination of your name, Christine Marie?
Christine Marie is referring to my mother and my father.
Thank you, candidate number 4. Oh, taken from her mother's name. That's it? Okay. Judges are candidate number 4. Let's move on now to our candidate number 5. Hello, candidate number 5. Would you like to greet all of your supporters over there?
Hi everyone. Thank you for supporting me and thank you again to support me. And that's all.
Party Wawabi. Ano, same like the question of candidate number 4. Wow. I was amazed also with your name, Well Grace. So, what's the combination of your name? Where is this particular name taken?
My name is Pearl Grace. I got the name to my tita and my lola gave a name for me and that's all.
What's the name of your mother?
Elsa Jane Manaya.
Your grandmother is?
Thank you.
Wow, judges, our candidate number 5. Thank you so much. Of course, being here on stage is a little ringing. Wow. Let's proceed now to our candidate number 6. We are halfway to our preliminary interview. Wow. Rico, kaya niyan. Hello, candidate number 6.
Hi.
Would you like to greet all of your supporters there?
And everyone, especially for those people who support me. Hello.
Hi for there. So you're writing here in your biodata that your ambition in life is to become a teacher. Why you choose this among all of the ambitions? Ano ka rin mag-yung teacher ng yan?
Because becoming a teacher is my passion and sharing my knowledge to the young man, my passion too. And being an effective teacher is a fulfilling part of my humanity. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, judges. Our candidate number 6. Let's move on now to our candidate first time. Actually, I do have here your data that you are the deliverer of the model. Love is like a rosary that's full of mystery. Sa una na itong elementary ko, maugid niya ako ang motto, sir. Pero kung nahigugma na bitaw ko, sir, wag naman ni Oy. Okay, would you like to explain to us why you choose this as your favorite motto?
Life is like a full of trials. It's okay.
Well, thank you very much. It's our candidate number 8. Life is full of trials, obstacles, and the like. Thank you. Let's proceed now to our candidate number 9. Hello, candidate number 9. Would you like to greet your fans over there? Oo, kasi mo gusto pasalamatan. Wala.
Thank you guys sa kumaman, supportive kayo sa akong mga isuon na mga sisters, then sa akong makeup artist, kasi kukurupukun.
Ay, kulong-kulong ko. Oo, ba? Grabe pangalan mo. Ako siya, matinig ang artist mo. Then, okay. Actually, you have here your biodata that you want to be a police woman someday. Why you choose this as your goal in life to become a police woman in the future?
I want to be a police woman someday because I want to maintain the peace and order and to stop the criminality in our community. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 9, judges. And we are about to conclude this plenary interview. Let's proceed on to candidate number 10. Hello, candidate number 10. It's also Pahiyong. Hi, boy. Do you understand Narati mo or Hines? That's not a question. You are the deliverer of the model. If others can do, why can't I? Wow. Why choose this as your favorite motto in life?
People are born with the same, with the same, people are born with the same, in our body, with the same system in our body. Therefore, we can equally achieve all the things we aim for. I believe, you believe, and if we believe, you can do it. Your mind and your heart will take you there. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 10. Welcome there. Judges or candidate number 10. Thank you so much. That completes the preliminary interview of our candidates. And of course, after a couple of minutes, we will be proclaiming the top 5 finalists, and that our judges having a hard time to calculate the results since our candidates deserve the top 5. Wow! And this judger, let's have to set the atmosphere. Let's have the one, please. Ladies and gentlemen, our last presenter is the one, please.
My students, now is the time to unleash the
course, ang home na po at mga products and services na gina-offer sa mga tauhan. Natay demand, natay TV savings, time deposit, they have also fixed deposit with whole life insurance free. They have also 12 low windows, rice marketing, super organic, mortuary, tracking services, insurances, life and non-life. And for those who are willing to join or to become the members or the member of the Co-op-NATCO, become part of the family, you can have it tomorrow for your registration. I am also one of the members of the Co-op-NATCO. I am having the savings and the fixed deposit. And for that, naka-loan ko, mas mapay-upay ko siya. Okay, thank you very much. And of course, we are so ready to proclaim our top 5 finalists. And that, candidates, come on up. There you have it, friends, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to proclaim our top 5 finalists. Do we have the results for our top 5? There you have it, friends, ladies and gentlemen. These are our top 5 finalists. Particular order. Please come forward. What's your bet? I'll watch. Ladies and gentlemen, please come forward. Candidate number 8. You are running of becoming candidate number 1. Sa pagpapakit. You are closer to the ground. Candidate number 10. And we have 2 more to go. Please come forward and let's celebrate candidate number 2. And of course, being the representative and being the candidates of your each cluster or barangay is already a shining glory. Di ba, sir? Kasi dito rin ako sa station, tinikon ko lang sa Kadigama. And we are moving forward for 1 slot. Ladies and gentlemen, you are lucky enough. I would like also to thank our judges for sparing their quality time with us for gracing this event. Please come forward. Candidate number 9. Candidates, the 5 of you are already a winner. And that you deserve a big round of applause from all of us. Thank you, candidates. you have experienced, ladies and gentlemen, we will be having this time the question and answer portion. Let's start with the candidate number 8. We would like to request everybody to please observe complete silence, where this is going to be the crucial part of the pageant, which is the Q&A portion. I am here the official question. This is the final question. Service of the community is one of the principles of the cooperative. If you were crowned as Miss Ozamis City Multi-Purpose Cooperative, what will you do to serve the community? I repeat, service of the community is one of the principles of the cooperative. If you were be crowned as Miss Ozamis City People's Multi-Purpose Cooperative, what will you do to serve the community? Your minute starts now.
Thank you for your question. If I were Miss Co-op, what would I do to serve the community? Well, if I become Miss Co-op, it is a big responsibility. I would represent as an active member of cooperative, and I would help people into the ladder of economic activity. With that comes community respect. That's all. Thank you.
Judges, your candidate number 8. Thank you. You will not take a rest at the backstage. Thank you very much. Let's move on now to candidate number 10. Here is your final question. Service of the community is one of the principles of the cooperative. If you were crowned as Miss Ozamis City People's Multi-Purpose Cooperative, what will you do to serve the community? I repeat, service of the community is one of the principles of the cooperative. If you were crowned as Miss Ozamis City People's Multi-Purpose Cooperative, what will you do to serve the community? Your minute starts now.
The title will help me realize my humble service of keeping peace and harmonious living throughout the community. I believe it's the basic elements of any civilization in order to achieve progress. Thank you.
Judges, your candidate number 10. Let's proceed now to candidate number 1. Here is your final question. Service of the community is one of the principles of the cooperative. If you were crowned as Miss Ozamis City People's Multi-Purpose Cooperative, what will you do to serve the community? I repeat, service of the community is one of the principles of the cooperative. If you were crowned as the Miss Ozamis City People's Multi-Purpose Cooperative, what will you do to serve the community? Your minute starts now.
As a youth,
Judges, your candidate number 1. Thank you. Let's move on now to our candidate number 2. Here is your final question. Service of the community is one of the principles of the cooperative. If you were crowned as Miss Ozami City People's Multi-Purpose Cooperative, what will you do to serve the community? I repeat, service of the community is one of the principles of the cooperative. If you were crowned as the Miss Ozami City People's Multi-Purpose Cooperative, what will you do to serve the community? Your minute starts now.
Good evening. If I will be given the privilege to be Miss OCTC 2016, I will begin the positive change in me. I will make sure that every word that comes from my mouth is a delight to soul. Let us be reminded by the words of Confucius. Great things starts from a small act of kindness. I should be the change that society needs. Once again, this is Hazel Dalasan, really to serve the community.
Thank you very much, judges. Our candidate number 2. There you go, candidate number 9. Here is your final question. Service of the community is one of the principles of the cooperative. If you were crowned as Miss Ozami City Multi-Purpose Cooperative, what will you do to serve the community? I repeat, service of the community is one of the principles of the cooperative. If you were crowned as Miss Ozami City People's Multi-Purpose Cooperative, what will you do to serve the community? Your minute starts now.
I will be the Miss Co of 2016. I'm going to make a clean-up drive with my co-contestants in order to serve the community. Through putting signage about proper waste disposal, non-biodegradable and biodegradable and recycled ones. I will lead them as a good leader is a good follower. I thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 9. Wow, that completes the question and answer portion of our third candidates. A few minutes from now, we will be proclaiming our new set or our first ever Miss OCPC 2016. Yes? And of course, once again, we would like to request all of our candidates to please come on stage. Very good first, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates. And of course, we would like to request our board of directors to please come on stage. And of course, all of our candidates will be receiving tokens coming from our board of directors and of course, in general, sa OCPC. We would like to request all of our board of directors to please come on stage for the giving of the tokens of our daring candidates. Ma'am Portia Guanco, Vice Chairman Sir Elemento Abasolo, Secretary Amir Reyes, Treasurer Marcelesa Tala, Board of Directors Evan Magajon, Elena Belén Perez, Roger Babion, Rogato Alfonsin, Sosita Amian, and so of course, our Managing Consultant, Ma'am Yuli P. Boscianos. And of course, each of our candidate will be receiving a token so with the cash prize, all coming from our board of directors. Thank you very much. A big round of applause for all of them. They are so generous. All of our non-winners, please remain there. Then please come forward the top 5 finalists. Just remain over there. These backward candidates, they're here. Follow this line, girls. Our top 5 finalists, please be here, this line. Two steps backward, please. Before we proclaim the winners, let's have first the winners for the dance contest. Of course, we would like to request all of our participants for the hip hop dance contest to please be here. At the downstage, we would like to request all of our hip-hop dance contest, our young dancers, please be here. A few minutes from now, we will be proclaiming our winners. But before that, let's have first our dance contest. And of course, this OCPC 2016 will be made possible without the following organizers, the following individuals who helped a lot. Of course, to our overall chairman at the 50th founding anniversary committee, we have Sir Jose Lorito of Boscianos Jr. To our committee of events and programs, Mark Luis Escobar, Richel Araya, Georgia Del Bosterios, Redeline Antiquenia. For our committee on awards, we have Marlene Kamuya, Ma'am Yuli Boscianos. And for committee on foods, there you go. Let's start with 4th runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, all the scores, all the points are being accumulated. And this is it. Ladies and gentlemen, to present the award for the 4th runner-up, we have Judge number 1 and Judge number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, 4th runner-up is candidate number 8. Marjorie Atalay. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, our third runner-up. And to present the award, we have judge number 3 and judge number 4. We have Sir Hermon Abaya, Dr. Hermon Abaya. Betty Acapulco, Nascon. Our third runner-up is candidate number 1. There you go, our third runner-up is number 1. Pero yung pakpa. Thank you. Thank you, presenters. Judges, okay, thank you. There you go. Our second runner-up. And to present the award, we have Ma'am Yuli Pushados and Sir Mark Escobar. Ladies and gentlemen, ever gorgeous and beautiful Ma'am Yuli. Diba? Second runner-up is candidate number 9. Thank you, presenters, Yoli and Mark. Thank you very much. Thank you, handsome, beautiful ma'am. And of course, we would like to request our remaining candidates to please capture our award. And of course, I will proclaim first the first runner-up. And the remaining candidate will be our first ever Miss OCPC 2016 very much. Eddie, sound system. No, very affordable and Vecna sound system. And of course, I am inviting everybody for the celebration of the 50th founding anniversary. And tomorrow, they will be having their numbers 9. Wow. Thank you, sir, our projector master. Thank you. And to all of our audiences, to our judges, to all of our candidates, to all our winners, to all the members of board of directors, thank you very much. It's very important. And of course, our EMTV, our official televised by the EMTV. Thank you very much. Our guys presented to you our top 5 winners. I am Judicial Gayat Jr. Thank you and mabuhay.
We're wrapping up tonight's coverage of KM-TV Extra for Miss OCPC 2016. And yes, we have with us the loveliest of the 10 lovely ladies who vied for tonight's crown of Miss OCPC 2016, candidate number 10. And congratulations to Miss OCPC 2016. Can I have your name again?
Hi ma'am, good evening. I am Marchtesa Larano Origines from Barangay San Antonio.
Okay, very beautiful. Showcase yun ni Miss OCPC 2016 ang elegance, the intelligence, and of course, the service to the community embodied by OCPC. So, congratulations once again, Miss OCPC 2016. And paano ka na mag-message, who do you wanna say thank you to, especially sa mga nag-support mo?
Yes, good evening. And I would like to say thank you to all my supporters, especially my mom who are supporting me all the way, my makeup artist, Fritz Boy, and all my cousins who are here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. This is Dazzle Taxon joining you for KM-TV 2016 as we continue to showcase the best, not only Misamis Occidental, but the rest of the surrounding areas, the best of the activities, the attractions, and of course, the event. Joining you for Miss OCPC 2016 for KM-TV Action, KM-TV. I am Dazzle Taxon together with Bernal Taxon and of course our cameraman Roy Cogalito. Thank you very much. Congratulations once again. You're welcome.
KMTV Special Coverage.